Welcome to our brand new video series, Hidden Natural Wonders of China, where we bring you 15 breathtaking places in China that most people have never even heard of. China is not just the land of technological marvels like bullet trains, sky cities, AI robots, and world-class expressways. It's also home to some of the most spectacular natural wonders on Earth. We at Omkar Medicom have personally explored these mesmerizing locations across China, and now we are excited to share our unforgettable experiences with you. So let's begin episode 1 of this magical journey. Today, we set off once again, embarking on a wonderful journey through time, through the majestic mountains, following the gentle flow of the rivers and capturing every moving moment of nature. Each landscape holds its own moonlit story. From the first ray of sunlight in the morning to the tranquil riverside at dusk, every moment here is worth savoring with care. Let us begin this journey together and feel the greatness and magic of nature in our hearts. Among China's natural masterpieces, the mountains and rivers of Guilin are world famous for their unique beauty. Today, we will guide you through the Li River and the Ten-Mile Gallery of Yangshuo to experience this earthly paradise. Here, the green mountains appear as though painted by an artist, and the crystal clear waters gleam like jade, nature's most beautiful gifts. The Li River is often called a 100-mile gallery, famous for its poetic scenery. Its beauty dates back to the Tang dynasty, inspiring countless poems, including the well-known verse, "Green hills on both banks face one another as if a piece of the sun has fallen." Even today, visitors along the river speak with, "Oh my God," as they take in the countless shades of the mountains and the sky reflected in the gentle waters. Floating peacefully at dusk is the best way to experience this river. As the boat glides, everything becomes calm and quiet. The gentle lap of the water soothes your ears, and with each passing scene, one picturesque landscape unfolds after another. Leaving the Li River behind, we arrive at Yangshuo's Ten-Mile Gallery, a stretch of about 10 kilometers framed by majestic green peaks and open flower-filled fields. Walking or cycling here is an excellent way to deeply experience the quality of nature and countryside. As you move along the Ten-Mile Gallery, you'll see cattle grazing in the fields and villagers going about their daily tasks. The air here is fresh, far removed from the bustle and noise of the city. Every breath brings peace and happiness. The iconic attraction here is Moon Hill, named after a cave in the mountain that resembles a shining moon. No matter which angle you view it from, it offers a different lunar silhouette. Nearby, there's a magnificent banyan tree, said to be over 1,000 years old and regarded as a guardian spirit by locals. Legend says that during times of war and chaos, villagers would seek refuge under this banyan tree. It bears the marks of time and has witnessed countless stories of hope and survival. The beauty of Guilin's landscape lies not only in its natural scenery, but also in its strong sense of place and timelessness. Every mountain and stream here tells its own unique story. This place is quite near to many of Omkar Medicom universities like Guangxi Medical University, Guangzhou Medical University, Southern Medical University, Xiamen University, and some others. If you long for such natural beauty, why not come and experience this earthly paradise for yourself? I am sure it will leave a deep impression on your memory. Our Omkar Medicom students and their parents will get all sorts of assistance from our side if you ever wish to travel here and other breathtaking natural wonders of China. Stay tuned, for our journey continues. Please look forward to the next stop in the natural wonders of Weizhou Island, Dragon Palace in Guizhou, the Green Canyon of Quandian, and the natural wonders of Qingshangu, Zhangjiajie National Geopark, and many others. Thank you for watching this episode. If you enjoyed this journey through mountains and rivers, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And kindly do not forget to watch our MBBS videos, for which we are here. Making world-class doctors is our ultimate passion.